guys, I'm Ella. Now to wake up the stupid half of this channel, I'm gonna be throwing a present at her. I'm quite surprised she's not awake by just me being awake and opening up this giant window. So, let's do it. Wake up. Merry late Christmas from like 3 years ago. I had a present and I lost it in my room. I was meant to give it to you like 3 years ago.
3?
Yeah. It was before you moved.
Holy shit, I remember you buying this. I was there.
You what? Well, it's a little wooden kitty. Well, anyway, today's the day. Oh, we both skipped out on school to do this.
Yeah. I was there when you bought this. Was that actually years ago? Didn't feel
Man, it felt like yep.
This looks like my cat. Back of a heart, like a little fucking flat on the side.
Not fucking shit, dude.
Now that you guys have seen my bare face on the internet, what the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
What?
What the fuck? Guys, I don't know what just happened, but like half of my games that was on the table just fell. What the fuck? It's cleaning it up.
So guys, we're gonna be showing you around in one of the big shopping centers here in our hometown of Brisbane. What's its name again? Carindale, yeah. We couldn't afford to go to the city. Fuck that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and have fun.
So now that we're both awake, we're now going to try and have breakfast, but from what I remember, I don't have my Cocoa Pops. I'll think of something. We found bacon! As the little fucker in the back here is putting on our makeup. Yeah, complete. This is gonna be really hot. Oh my god.
Oh, I felt
Whoa!
it.
Whoa! Oh my god. Okay, on like 30 degree heat, that was very unpleasant.
God damn it, Australia!
More like Queensland. Jeez.
Oh yeah.
Okay, see all of that? That's grease. Oh my god, it covered.
I did that one.
Fine.
Shit. You get this one. Okay, see how. There you
Oh. You think they're hot?
go. Oh no, how about you try it?
Bitch, please. Using tongs.
Science. Science.
No! No! There we go. It's stuck together.
Why have you forsaken me? Why?
4 bacons out of 5.
4 bacon out of 5. It's bacon. It's 5 bacons out of 5. God.
Emily literally knocked over a bottle in the bathroom.
Wait, let me get this. I will get this.
She blamed it on a ghost called Jeffrey, not her foot. This is what I have to deal with. I'm kidding? I got it up. It's so cute. Oh my god, I want a slimy kitty.
I know. First thing, okay, entrance. First thing you see, cats. And what's that dog? There it is. Dog. Doggy. Kitty. Oh, hello. Hello.
Stop commenting the cat.
I'm not. I'm having fun with it. Leave me alone. It's so cute. I want that for myself. Okay? I want that for me. I want to color that at night.
Emily,
Yes.
I think you might want to see this. It's Batman glow in the dark mug.
I think I need a moment.
Oh my god, it's a Harley Quinn one.
Holy shit, there's a Batman wallet. It's Star Wars and Captain America. And oh god, I think I might pass out.
We've been filming for 30 seconds and you want to pass out already.
Yes.
Dipshit, that's what you are.
Justin EB. Yes. What is it? Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I want it.
Deadpool is so fucking funny.
Here's my life. Guys.
Bruh.
Let's go for it anyway.
Alright, so I will show you the video game I got. And this is probably the only one that I got. That one. But I only have the pre-sequel, which is so shit. Well, not shit, but it's like the only one that I got. Oh, you guys want to play some rugby?
Huh?
Want to play some rugby, Ella? Yes? Yes? What was actually like really cool about this store is that they got all the games, you know, and then boom! You can actually play video games here and actually test them out. Ella once played FIFA for like an hour before I finally left. Bitch. Halo!
Yes.
Let's go in the middle of it. Damn!
Spoilers. Spoilers.